What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be talking about Bitcoin and we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. We'll be talking about what we expect Bitcoin to go to in the coming few weeks, whether we expect a pump, whether we expect a dump. You can see at the point of recording of this video, Bitcoin has reclaimed $43,000. We'll be digging deep into the charts to see what our price point, where do we expect Bitcoin to be in the current future, and if it's going to dump, where will it dump to? Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Kicking off to this video, we can see right here in the crypto market, we have a general green market today, and there are not many double digits on percentage gain, but at least we have a green market and a lot of the coins are not dumping. That's a very, very good sign. And guys, right here, Bitcoin has actually reclaimed 43,000. And guys, something is wrong. The volume is actually reducing. And for expecting a pump, we want the volume to increase. We want more people to be buying Bitcoin. But right now, it's showing us in the last 24 hours, we've had like almost a 30% decrease in volume. We'll see where this rally will come from. But before we really dig deep into Bitcoin charts, we'll also be checking the sentiments in this video. Remember, we're talking about fear and greed, and right now there's so much fear in the crypto space. The general crypto market is back above $2 trillion. It looks like that's the line. When we pass 2 trillion, people feel bullish. When we go below 2 trillion, people are feeling very, very bearish. Right now we're above 2 trillion, which is a very, very good sign. Bitcoin dominance is at 40%. If we want that Altseason to come, Bitcoin dominance has to be less than 40%, and at the same time, the total crypto market cap will actually be increasing. If those conditions are met, then we're going to be seeing Altseason. Ethereum has reclaimed 3,200. XRP just got to $0.75, and the market is just generally green. The ones that are not red are not red. They're just like 1%, 2% loss, which is very, very welcoming to see. Now let's go to the Bitcoin price chart. This is Bitcoin price chart on a weekly. This is I put it on a weekly for everything to be clear to us right now. Okay, now in 2018 we had a big pump. This was the end of the bull run. We had a big bump. Then Bitcoin crashed for like 8 months. It actually crashed for like 8 months. Yep, it crashed for like 8 months. It crashed over 83%. After it crashed at 83%, Bitcoin now increased 300%. Increased 300%. Then went for the correction of wave 2. If you're doing Alias wave, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is correction, but what I'm trying to bring out in all these examples I'm showing you guys, this correction too was how many percent? Was 72%. These were deep corrections. The last one that happened in May was how many percent? Was 54%. So the correction that we're currently experiencing in Bitcoin right now, which is like just 42%, is not actually that gangster. It's not as if we say, oh, the bull run is over just because we crashed 42%, just 42%. It's not actually, it's normal to see Bitcoin crash this far. But if there's anything we can see from the chart is that every time that it has crashed, it has always risen. It might not rise now, it might not rise tomorrow, but every time it has crashed, it has always risen. So just because it's crashing now doesn't mean we are going to zero. Now, if you're asking, you might be asking, where are we going to go in the future? How high can we go? For my own money, I expect Bitcoin to get to 60,000. When it gets to 60,000, I'll start de-risking. But I have another theory where Bitcoin can actually get to 75,000. How did I derive that number? Is by going to the top of the previous bull run to the bottom of the bear market. Use the Fibonacci extension. So and let's see where to tell us Bitcoin is supposed to top. Now using this tool, it's telling us that Bitcoin should top at maybe $71,000. But the funny thing is that we actually topped at 69,000, which was very, very weird. We topped at 69,000. With this tool, it's how you can adjust the tool. If you're not using the weekly close, you can adjust the tool and to get it to 73, 74,000. So Bitcoin can actually come to this price point. But another thing that we should take note is that Bitcoin market cap has actually reached its full extension. That's why Bitcoin had the crash. Some people just thought that, oh, Bitcoin just crashed in a random price. No, you can see right here, if we use our Fibonacci extension to go to the top of the previous bull market to the bottom of the bear market, you can see that Bitcoin market cap has actually reached its few Fibonacci extensions, and these levels in these charts are always very important. I don't know why. Human psychology just plays into this. These numbers are found in nature, and somehow Bitcoin got to that market cap, and boom, Bitcoin bounced back. So now the only option we have is if the price charts want to actually get there, which will now make the market cap chart to break into new all-time highs. But we can see that the sentiment right now, guys, is still in extreme greed. People are scared of buying Bitcoin. They don't want to buy Bitcoin. They have seen the price of Bitcoin crashing since December 4th, or since December 4th, we had the mad crash, but it has actually been crashing since November after Bitcoin set its all-time high. So nobody wants to buy Bitcoin right now. People are calling for lower prices. People want 30 something K. Some people are saying we're going back to test the all-time high at 20K. But guys, I actually believe that we found support. Look at the total crypto market cap. So this is the market cap of all of crypto: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, everything combined together. And would you believe it? It's this chart too has actually touched the full Fibonacci extension. So there's some arguments to be said that we are actually, the bull run is over. You can actually say the bull run is over because the total crypto market cap has actually done its full Fibonacci extension. Now, if we're waiting for a retrace, we're going to expect everything to just increase to come around this $2.5 trillion level. Now, currently we're in 2 trillion in it. So if everything retraces back, we'll know whether actually we'll break into new all-time highs, or we'll just come to 2.5 trillion and the whole market will crash. Because if Bitcoin retraces, the total crypto market cap will retrace. Because guys, don't forget, Bitcoin alone contains like 40% of the market. So you can see that the price chart of this total crypto market cap still has a Bitcoin vibe to it. The all-time high capitulated here. It had a pump, it had a dump, it had another run up, had a dump, and now we're in the last run up. But if you go to the market cap minus Bitcoin like this, you can actually calculate the market cap of other cryptocurrencies minus Bitcoin. Now, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you calculate, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are already taking over 60% of the market. So if you are taking Bitcoin and Ethereum out, you can see that those other coins are still in 800 billion. And for them to reach the top of their own extension, they have to get to almost 1.5 billion. So they have almost 60%, like the general market minus Ethereum and Bitcoin. If all of them, the average should be like 75% for them to reach their full Fibonacci extension. And I just showed you guys that Bitcoin has reached its full Fibonacci extension. The total crypto market cap has actually reached its full Fibonacci extension. And you can see that Ethereum right here has almost touched its full Fibonacci extension. It's barely just touching it, or some people can argue that it has touched it. So maybe we're in the bear market. We don't know right now. We're waiting on to see what Bitcoin will do. If we have significant increase in price in Bitcoin, is that 50K, 59K, is that 60K, 59K region that will be very, very important, because this actually Fibonacci base, a Fibonacci point, this 60K to, and funny enough, that's actually the 702 retracement for this crash that Bitcoin just had since November. So if you use the Fibonacci extension tool like this, go to the top of the pump to the bottom of the pump, you can see that the 702 is actually 60K. And funny enough, that line again is a Fibonacci resistance level, because you can see that's around the region where we couldn't pass earlier last year. So if we get to that region and you see the altcoins popping, guys, that's why I'll be exiting this market. Guys, if you want to get more updates from me on Twitter, I'm on Twitter, Mr. Legend Crypto. On YouTube, it's Mr. Legend Crypto. On Facebook, Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. See you guys next time. Bye.